Okay, it's getting dark here. I buttoned this all up today. I made one fuel line over there when I was out hauling beets. I don't know if it'll work or not, but it's wrangled in there. I can always replace it if I have to. Don't think the end's a leak, but we'll see. Used what I had, got the fuel filter mounted over here. By the time I got home, I didn't have a chance to grab my camera. It's been pretty much a go non-stop here. I got to go get a key weight tomorrow, half moon key. I got to try seeing if I can fix this hose. I'll see what I can do. I got a piece of hose here. I'm thinking I cut it off and use the mends, but I'll see. Let's see what else. I got a transmission tapping on me here. Stop swinging. So I got the transmission off the engine. I was feeling the splines. Yeah, they look real nice, the splines on that tranny. I don't know if I'll put a new clutch brake in or not. Motor tipped over as I was over there by the pickup. I put a block on this side thinking because the motor was leaning this way and instead it tipped that way. So I had to take the drive out of here and put on another engine to drive the power steering. So that's on there. I don't know what shape the clutch is in that, or what clutch is even in there. It's the same pressure plate as all three of these are the same pressure plate. So, yeah. So I clean this all out real good. Clean the mating surfaces off. I'll have to get that. I'm going to set this down on blocks and pick the engine up because I can block this up easier and then bring the engine to the transmission. So as I was saying, it's been pretty much a go here. Big hole. Everything come out. I don't know how my cousin was feeling. He hasn't been feeling the best, and I was gonna try doing it myself, and he come over and he helped me get the radiator and stuff out. It's kind of tricky because the radiator's sitting out of the way. There's a tab on the front of that radiator, and I think I'm gonna cut it off. It catches right up underneath the front bumper and the hood here, and I don't know what it serves no purpose. So I gotta rip the exhaust all out of here because that'll be all replaced. So tomorrow this will be going in. I'll try recording tomorrow, see what the weather's like. The weather's crappy, then maybe not. I don't know if you can see over here on this radiator or not. I was looking for my come along and I looked for it for a long time. Yeah, you can't see it. It's down and tipped over in the back, but there's about a 2 to 3 inch ear that sticks out with a hole in it, and it serves no purpose. So it's likely going to get cut off when I put this back in here, because actually if you hit something at the front hard enough, it's a good possibility you could hit that ear and break the neck off the radiator, and then you're SOL just because of a stupid little thing. And never hope to hit anything, but you just never know. So this truck had a fuel heater on it, and I might hook that back up again. I don't know yet. I have some questions about it, and because during the summer, and then how do you shut it off? Because they had it plumbed through. Yeah, it would have been heating all the time because it was plumbed through the one line on the air compressor. So it would have been heating the fuel year round. I don't know if I like that idea or not. Well, sorry I didn't get lifting it all out and everything. I'll try getting a video of setting it in tomorrow. I don't know. I'll see what happens. I'm going to clean this up some here tonight. Get some of this grease and dirt out of there and whatnot else, and start cleaning this flange up, because I want that super clean when the two bolt together, because she's going to have a few more ponies in her, so I want everything to hold up good. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Well, take care all. God bless. Keep the greasy side down, and remember, love one another, and take care all.